Jack wants to buy some ingredients to cook dinner. He asks Rachel to go with him and meet him inside the supermarket.
Hey Rachel, where are you? I'm in the supermarket, but I can't find you.
Hey Jack, I'm in the produce section.
What is the produce section?
The produce section is where you find the vegetables and fruits.
Ah, I finally found you. This is such a big supermarket. It has so many sections.
Yeah, it can be a bit overwhelming at first. Let me explain the major sections to you. The bakery section is where you'll find bread, cakes, pastries, and other baked goods. The dairy section has milk, cheese, yogurt, and other dairy products. The produce section, as you saw, is for fruits and veggies. Then there's the frozen food section, which has frozen meals, ice cream, and other frozen items.
Wow, that's a helpful explanation. Are there any other sections?
There's also a few more. Firstly, the deli section, where you can get sliced meat, cheeses, and ready-to-eat meals. There's also the meat section, which has all kinds of raw meats like chicken, beef, and pork. There's also the seafood section, where you can find fresh and frozen fish and other seafood. Finally, there are aisles with packaged foods like cereal, pasta, canned goods, and snacks.
Wow, that makes it so much easier to understand. Thank you, Rachel.
No problem, Jack. Let's get started with our shopping. What do you need to buy?
I need to get some ingredients for dinner. Do you have any recommendations?
Sure. What are you planning to cook?
I'm thinking of making a pasta dish.
Great choice. For pasta, you'll need to go to the aisle with pasta and sauce. And also the meat section if you want to add some protein, the produce section for some fresh veggies, and even the dairy section for some cheese.
Okay, that's a lot of sections, so let's get started with the pasta first.
Here we are. The pasta is usually on this aisle.
Thanks. I'll grab some spaghetti and tomato sauce. What's next?
If you want to add some protein, we should head to the meat section.
All right, let's go.
Here you can find chicken, beef, and pork. What do you prefer?
I think I'll get some chicken breast.
Sounds good. Now let's get some veggies. For pasta, you could add bell peppers, onions, or spinach. What do you want?
I think I'll get the bell peppers and onions.
Perfect. Grab what you need and we can head to the dairy section for some cheese. Here we are. Do you want Parmesan cheese or mozzarella cheese for your pasta?
Parmesan should be good. And I think that's everything.
Great. Let's head to the checkout.
Thanks for all your help, Rachel. I really appreciate it.
No problem, Jack. I'm glad I could help. Enjoy your dinner.
I definitely will. See you at school tomorrow.
See ya.